So in the previous session, we just saw what the one of the function, that is search method, will do from this regular expression. So now we will just build out a simple function called find pattern in order to reuse this re.search again and again. So we will just generalize this syntax of re search. So what we can do, I have just defined a simple function over here. So define find pattern, say, so it accepts two parameters, right? So this re dot search accept two input parameters, that is the pattern, then the text where you want to search that pattern. So it accepts two input parameters, text and a pattern. So I have written this logic out. So what does this logic says? If re.search of pattern in the given text. So if it finds that particular pattern in the given text, then return that entire find, or whatever the pattern it is find. So if else, if it is not finding that particular pattern in the given text, then just return not found. So I hope this entire function is very simple and very clear to understand. So why I have defined this function, we can, so that we can reuse this find pattern or re.search again and again with a simple call of find pattern. So why so delay, we will just jump into one of the important aspects of regular expression, that would be quantifiers. So by the term quantifier represent the limitation or the number of repetitions or number of results that the re.search should return. So in other words, so say you have a text, entire paragraph where a particular word could be appearing multiple times, right? So say if it is a paragraph, say about Sachin Tendulkar, then the word Sachin Tendulkar would be repeating again and again within that entire text corpus. So if I just write this function re.search and pattern and pass that pattern and along with the text, then it will multiply or gives the result with the same like same pattern, right? So how many times that re.search will find that word Sachin, and it will try to return everything same with all the Sachins it has found. So in order to limit the search function, we have this quantifiers. So first, let's just jump on to the one of the quantifier which we say. So that is 0 or 1. Okay. So the 0 or 1 is a quantifier represented by this character question mark. You can see that, right? So the question mark. So this will tells whether a pattern is absent or present. So suppose say if you are searching for a phone number on an email ID within a given text, if you want to know whether that particular email ID is present in that entire text corpus or not, then you can just use this quantifier question mark, which will give the result only if it is found 0 or 1 time of that particular pattern. So what does this mean? We will just have a look at it, the very first example. So I'm trying to print find pattern. So I'm calling this function find pattern over here. So I'm passing this pattern, which I like. This is the what we can say, the text. So the text where I wanted to find a particular pattern. So I want to find this pattern AB, whether it is present at least for 1 or 0. So either it should be present one time, or it is either not present at all. So if that is the case, then we will just have a look at it. How does this function now? Okay, so I have to just run this first. Okay. Okay. Sorry for that. End of line. Okay. Yeah. So now just I have run that function which I have defined. Now it's time to call that. Yeah. So you could see for the three different pattern search which I have attempted over here. So in the very first thing, the text I passed is AC. In the next case, I passed ABC, and the last or the third example, I passed ABBC. Now I am limiting the same thing. Like I am trying to search the same pattern where either it is present 0 or 1 times. So if it is present for one time, or if it is not present at all, then it should yield me a result. So the very first thing, you could see where it is present, right? So I am trying to search A and B, right? So A B question mark. So this A B, this re dot search will try to find out pattern AB within this given text AC. So is it present or not? So yeah, it is present from 0 to 1. What it is present? Only the character A, and it is present only one time. So yeah, this question mark will generally do that, right? It should be either 0 or 1 time. So that is what it is doing. So AB in ABC, then it has found out that it is present at AB. Let's find out how many times it will return for this ABBC. So the same pattern again. You could see that it has limited that to A B only again, even though this text has A B B C. So it has accurately find out that A B is the only pattern which is present either 1 or 0 times. So that is how it has returned the result. This is how the first quantifier, that is question mark, works.